Hey, what you gonna do now? I smack your crew now. I'ma take it, tell you what to do now. Ticky ticky tone now. Ticky ticky tay now. Let me show you how I do my thing up in here. Ain't no stopping me now. I got it on lockdown. You know I'm coming hard, but I'm gonna go ED for the first one, and I'm gonna take it over the crew now. Hey, what you gonna do now? I got your whole crew now. I smack them down to the ground. I steal your man now. What you gonna do now? I got it going on like down like this, like that. You show me how I do my thing. I'm gonna work my back like that. I'm gonna show you how I put it down, bitch. I'm a bad bitch alive. Let me show you how I do. I come alive like a pit bull. I'm not a chihuahua. I'll eat you alive when I get it. You know I ain't stopping me now. Hey, I'm just gonna do me. You gonna do you. So let me show you how I do my thing. And I'm gonna work my whole crew out. Let me show you how I do it. Let me show you how I go down like this. I'm gonna bouncing on my toes. I'm gonna do the toe walk. Hey, what you know me? I'm gonna go and hop it all night long. Let me show you how I do my thing up in here. You know, got it going on like down. You know how I go. Let's roll at the front door. Letting you know how I do it. I'm just rapping about anything. You know how I do it. I stay true it. You know how I do my thing. Ain't no stopping me now. You know I keep it on like down like this, like that. I got you on like down now. What bitch? What it's gonna be now? Hey, you got me. I got you. So let's get it happen. Let's make it happen right here, right now. You know I got it going hard in this bitch now. Hey, let's get it cracking. Let's get it whacking. Hey, it's your turn. I take over the crown. You know what to do.